Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, I did yesterday I did start the new chapter vectors. So that video also some disturbance is there. So I will explain once again. First, vector chapter. Vectors. The vector chapter already discussed in the physics also. So in the mathematics, what is the vector? The magnitude has the quantity. The quantity has the magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude as well as direction is called vector. What is the example of vector? Velocity, acceleration, distance, okay, etc. Scalar. What is the scalar? A quantity has magnitude only. A quantity has magnitude only. A quantity has magnitude only. So, what is the example of scalar? Mass, time, and time, volume, speed, density, and so on, etc. Next, position vector. Next one, position vector. What is the position vector? So the position vector, for example, position vector, consider a point P in a space. Consider a point P in a space. That point, say XYZ. Consider a point P in the space, say XYZ. So XYZ with respect to the origin. With respect to origin. Origin nothing but the vector. Vector is always in three-dimensional. Vector is the three-dimensional. Vector is three-dimensional. Vector is nothing but three-dimensional. Three-dimensional. X axis, Y axis, Z axis, and so three-dimensional. So with respect to the compass must be the position vector must be with respect to the origin. With respect to the origin. So the position vector, the OP. So with respect to the origin, the vector OP have the O and P. The vector OP have the O and P. O is the initial point, starting point. O is the initial point, P is the terminal point. So the position vector of P is denoted by OP. The position vector of P is OP. The position vector of A, OA. The position vector of B, OB. The position vector of C equal to OC. So every vector with respect to the origin, every position vector with respect to origin. So bar, this is direction, this is the basis of direction. Bar is direction, compass vector is nothing but vector and direction and magnitude. So OA bar, OC bar, OE bar. This is OP bar. OP bar by using the distance formula. This is length. Length is nothing but modulus of OP bar. Modulus of OP bar length formula root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here OP. O is x1, y1, z1. P x2, y2, z2. So the distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This distance between the 2 points formula. Okay. Next to direction cosines. Direction cosines. Direction cosines is simply DCs. Direction cosines. In the three-dimensional geometry, what is the direction cosines definition? A ray makes an angle. This is y, x axis, y axis, and z axis. A ray OP bar, this is O R bar. The ray OP makes an angle alpha with x axis, makes an angle beta with y axis, makes an angle gamma with the z axis, gamma with the z axis. So positive direction, anyone in positive direction. Then alpha, beta, gamma are called the directed angles, and cosines of angles. Cosines of angles means cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines. The direction cosines are denoted by L. L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta. So n is equal to cos gamma. N is equal to cos gamma. So what is the relation of cosines? L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. No. Sum of the direction cosines equal to 1 means that that are direction cosines. L square plus m square plus n square 1. No. ORR cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is also 1. So L is equal to cos alpha, m is equal to cos beta. So in the vector direction cosines formula, consider a position vector. You see here ray in the direction cosine in the three-dimensional geometry. OP is a ray. In the vectors, OP is a position vector. O position vector is OP bar of a point P. The angles alpha, beta, gamma, the angles alpha, beta, gamma made by the vector R bar, this is called R bar, made by the vector R bar with the positive direction of XYZ axis, with the positive direction of XYZ axis respectively are called the directed angles. Alpha, beta, gamma are direct angles. The cosine of angles cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosine. Same. What is the difference? Angles made alpha, beta, gamma same. What is the difference? In three-dimensional geometry, you have to take ray. In the vector, position vector OP. Difference is, that is the difference. Okay, this is yesterday. This is the yesterday class. Now, continue the next one. Some important definitions. Some important definitions. What are the important definitions? Zero vector. Zero vector. Zero vector is nothing but zero bar. Zero bar means all xyz's are 0. Zero vector, 0 bar. What is zero vector? A vector whose initial, a vector, the definitions are very important. Definitions are, it comes 1 mark question in your examination. Definitions comes 1 mark in your examination. Maximum 90% one definition will come. Okay. So a vector whose initial and terminal points coincide. Coincide. Coincide means is near to equal. Position vector initial OP bar, for example, OP bar. In the OP bar, O is the initial point, P is the terminal point. The both are different means that is the position vector. So both are same means 0 bar minus 0 bar is equal to what? 0 bar. And initial point to terminal points are coincide or same means that is the zero vector. Position initial point to terminal point to coincide. Simple. Important definition. So coincide is called a zero vector. Coincide is called a zero vector. The zero vector is denoted by O bar, not zero bar. Zero vector denoted by O bar. Denoted by O bar. Bar is nothing but direction. Okay, zero bar. The zero vector cannot be assigned a definite direction and it has zero magnitude. So zero vector means what? Zero vector means there is no definite direction, is not a definite direction, and zero magnitude. Zero vector means what? There is no direction and magnitude. Magnitude zero, direction is not defined. This one, zero vector. So for example, A bar, A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, both are, these are examples of zero vector, examples of zero, because OP bar is equal to what? OP bar is equal to OP minus OO. This is point. So A bar is equal to what? OA minus OA. OA bar minus, this is vector, not position vector. A bar is a vector. OP bar, OA bar, OB bar, OC bar are the position vector because with respect to origin. So A bar, how to read, how to do? A bar is equal to OA bar minus OA bar equal to O bar. For example, AB bar is equal to first second position vector minus first position vector. This is the formula of vector. Vector is the different initial position vector and terminal position vector minus initial position vector. AB bar is equal to OB minus OA. OB minus OA. AC bar is equal to what? OC bar minus OA bar. First last minus first. Okay, AD bar is equal to OD minus OD bar minus OA bar. This one zero vector. Next definition, unit vector. In your examination up to this one, enough. The two lines we have to write in your examination. So unit vector, what is the unit vector? Unit vector is nothing but that vector has the magnitude 1. That vector magnitude 1. Magnitude 1, that is called unit vector. A vector whose magnitude, a vector whose magnitude is unity. Unity is nothing but 1, no. Unity is equal to 1, no. So it is denoted by is called a unit vector. Unity is called a unit vector. Is called a unit vector. Is called a unit vector. So the unit vector is denoted by a cap. Unit vector, normal vector only a bar, unit vector symbol a cap. A cap is equal to here, a cap is equal to a bar by mod a bar. This is a cap. The unit vector is denoted by a cap. A cap is equal to formula a bar by mod a bar. Next one, coinitial vectors. Co-initial vectors. Co-initial vector means coincide. Co-initial vectors. So initial and terminal points are coincide means this one point coincide means same. Initial point and terminal point coincide means both are same. So co-initial vectors. What is the co-initial vectors? Two or more vectors having the two or more vectors having the same initial point, are called co-initial vector. For example, this is O, P, O, Q, O, R. For example, P vector, OP vector, this is OP vector, position vector. OP vector initial point O, OQ vector initial point O, OR vector initial point O. So the PQR has the same initial point. P vector, Q vector, R vector have the same initial point. That is the example of co-initial vector. Two or more vectors having the same initial point are called co-initial vector. This is the diagram. See diagram 0, OP, OQ, OC. OR. OP, OQ, OR have the same initial point. Initial point means starting point, same point. Okay. Next, collinear vector. Collinear vector. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to same line. Two or more vectors are collinear, are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Parallel. Collinear vector nothing but two or more vectors said to be collinear means that are parallel, collinear, same. Okay. So two or more vectors are said to be vectors are said to be collinear. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. This one, if you are parallel. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Parallel to the same line. This is the parallel vector. Next one, equal vectors. For example, this is A, B, C, A to B, B to C. Here AB, BC, AC, AC bar, BC bar, AB bar. For example, this is the AC line. The line passing through the how many points? AB 3 points. What is the actual collinear definition in the geometry? Two or more points having the same line is called collinear. So here ABC are on the same line. So AB is one vector, BC is another vector, AC also another vector. The AB, BC, C are on the same line. So AB bar, BC bar, AC bar are the parallel collinear vector, and AB, BC, AC are the collinear vector. AB, BC, anyone, AB, AC, AB, BC are collinear vectors. Next, equal vectors. What are the equal vectors? Two vectors Two vectors are said to be equal, the totally equal, all magnitude equal, magnitude are equal. What is the equal vectors? Equal vectors. Equal vectors means magnitude same, direction same, totally same means equal vectors. For example, two vectors A bar and B bar are said to be equal, take two vectors A bar and B bar are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and direction. If they have the same magnitude and direction. If two vectors are equal, then if the two vectors have the same magnitude and same direction is called, the two vectors are called equal vector. Negation of vector. Next one, negation of vector. Negation of vector means only vector same, but direction is opposite direction, reverse. Now, negation of vector, for example, A bar is a vector. A bar is a vector. Negation of A bar means minus A bar. A bar is a vector. Negation of A bar is minus A bar. So magnitude, direction, magnitude same, but opposite direction. Negation, opposite direction. This is negation of vector. A bar minus A bar. Negation. So a vector whose magnitude is the same that of a given vector, but direction is opposite. So A bar is equal to minus, for example, AB bar. AB bar is equal to minus BA bar. To negation of vector means what? That vector magnitude same, but opposite direction. Direction different. Direction is reverse, magnitude, vector same, magnitude same, but what is the difference? Opposite direction. For example, AB bar is equal to minus BA bar. AB bar is equal to minus BA bar. This is the magnitude. A vector whose magnitude is the same that of a given vector, but direction is opposite, is called negation of vector. Example is AB bar is equal to minus BA bar, or BA bar is equal to minus AB bar. This is the negation of vectors. See, once again, first I will explain zero vector. What is the zero vector definition? Zero vector means initial point that one vector, any vector has initial point, terminal point same. Initial point, a vector whose initial and terminal points are same. Coincide means same, coincide. So coincide is called zero vector, denoted by O bar. Another example is AA bar, BB bar, AA bar, BB bar, CC bar, DD bar, same. Because initial point to terminal point same. AA, first one is the initial point, second one is the terminal points. Both are same. Okay, this one AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. This one. Next, unit vector. Unit vector means a vector whose magnitude is unity. A vector whose magnitude unity means 1. That magnitude 1, that vector is called a unit vector. Unit vector is denoted by A cap, is read as cap. A cap formula, A bar by mod A bar. This is modulus of A bar. Next, co-initial vector. Two or more vectors have the same initial point, having the same initial point are called the coinitial. For example, this is OP, OQ, OR. OP, OQ, OR have the same 0 initial point. 0 is the same initial points. Next, collinear vector. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. Parallel to the same line. Two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. For example, A, B, B, C, this one. Next, equal vectors. Two vectors equals means that magnitude, direction, all are same. So, two vectors A bar and B bar are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and direction. Next, negation of vector. Then a vector is said to be negation of vector. A vector whose magnitude is same. A vector is said to be negation of vector. That vector have the same magnitude but opposite direction. Same magnitude but opposite direction is called negation of vector. This is the negation of vector. The important all definitions are each and every one. Position vector, direction, cosine, zero vector, unit vector, coefficient vector, collinear vector, equal vector, negation of vector. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 definitions are very, very important. Must it comes one question compulsory in your examination. So tomorrow I will explain 10.1 exercise 1, exercise 10.1 and addition of vectors. Exercise 1 and addition of vectors. Okay, thank you.